Happy International Women's Day to all the women out there. We cannot talk of this world, we cannot talk of nations, we cannot talk of anything when women are not involved. The world cannot exist without women. It's your day, special day, every woman out there. Today we celebrate every woman who empowers and every woman who needs empowerment. Every woman who inspires and every woman who needs inspiration. Today we celebrate every woman who found her voice and never looked back. We celebrate the woman who is still trying to find her voice. Women who have the courage to stand their ground and to put their ideas out there and doing the same for others. The women who came before us and the women who are our role models. The women who are pursuing their dreams. The women who work hard to raise their families. The women who show us it's okay to be happy. The women who have carried lives in them. The champions who showed us that we can do it. The women who paved the way. The women leaders who showed us how it's done. The women who are the voice of the voiceless. Today we are celebrating the women who are pursuing their education and the women who are educating others. The visionary women. The powerful women who empower others. The strong powerhouse women who collaborate. The courageous women. Women who save lives. The women who are fighting for justice. Women who are breaking the glass ceiling. The limitless women who never gave up. And here's to women who believed in themselves, who found their magic, and who spark the magic in others. Happy International Women's Day. Enjoy your day.